like secured living there, but you don't want to have anything to be doing with secured living when you're in the retired part of it. Is that clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
No guns or anything like that.
Rick is married to Lana, you know, and he's one of my favorite sons.
Wait, no.
She said one of. Yeah, one of. She said one of.
And Frank is the other one. So Rick was there visiting for a few days, playing golf and so on, things that he usually does. But he decided at 3 o'clock in the afternoon he could take me shopping. Well, because I don't have a car, because I don't drive anymore. And we just went a couple little places, and primarily we went to the 99-cent store, and we got a few little things that not for, but I said I just can't find anything for her birthday, but I'll think about it, not birthday, party. And I've been thinking about it until it almost kept me awake at night. I didn't know what I was going to do. Also, Catherine here offered to take me one day. Well, that day just didn't hash out, it was the right one. So one day I thought, you know, I live in all this stuff and my house is just full of antiques and all things that I can't get to. So I looked through most of my closets, and here's a letter that you can read, probably when you're alone. Or it just tells you what I did, and I'm just telling you what I did. And this was the invitation, which I thought was so slick. I saved the invitation. I just love this invitation.
Yeah.
Job, Susan.
So then I had this box, which was one of 3 boxes that I threw away the others because they weren't fit right. They weren't the right size. I couldn't handle them for what I was going to put in here. And then I couldn't tie the box together because it had the Scotch tape was in. So I took a shoelace out of an old pair of shoes.
That's cute.
And here's the shoelace.
All right.
And then that wasn't holding very well. So this started to hold, and this now this is the gospel truth.
This is the gospel truth. This is the gospel truth. God bless you, Virginia.
This was a necklace, you know, when you go to bed at night and you don't want your head to flop back and forth. This was from that, so I tore off a couple of it so I could tie it. Now you can all laugh.
No, but you're making it so funny, though. It's the way you're telling the story.
Okay, so for 3 days I tried to get this miserable little stuff that I have in a box. And you have to be very careful of it because I'm afraid it'll fall apart.
Oh, this is so cute.
I know.
This is so
This is
cute.
the box that I ended up with, which was in my closet to go. I just put it in there. And now, she's like that.
So you're not going to let her?
You take
Well,
Sorry.
I'll just take it. Maybe I'll make it part of this.
I'll read it to you.
The letter is.
Open it for you.
I'm going to read part of the letter.
Please.
And also, there's a check in here for you.
Thank you.
And I just tell you that I'm giving you a check and use it whenever you want and wherever you want to. Love, Grammy, which is Virginia Daily. I am.
That's cute, Virginia. That is so cute.
Here, this is. I wrote this about 4 or 5 times.
Oh my goodness.
Dear Kimberly, congratulations on your coming wedding. May all your days be happy and full of many successful times. Enclosed you will find in a box some very old and some very odd jewelry. Some of it has been in my car for a long time, in my care for a long time, and in my mother's case before me. I always liked getting it from her at her firm. I always liked getting it from her, although some was never used. I hope you feel the same way. Enjoy.
Aw, that was was nice, Virginia.
Wait till you see what you got. There's one thing in here that's essential, so I'm just gonna kind of do it. I think I can secret it. Okay. This, and I labeled everything. I tried to. And this is a box.
I take a picture.
Laura, take a picture of these two.
Oh, my God. Oh, yeah. You can pass this around if you want. There's old pieces in here. If you want to, or maybe nobody wants to see it.
No, they do.
No, I
We all want to see. We're all curious now.
See too.
that's cool.
There are some little pieces.
Elizabeth didn't get anything like that.
And here's the one that I was afraid would break. And I hope she gets it home before it does break. Because this is just glass. It isn't anything special.
That's pretty.
And I think it does have a little piece chipped off of here. I don't know. Well, anyhow.
How pretty, Virginia. That's very sweet.
This was my grandmother's
Oh.
gave her gift to her daughter, my mother, and she wore this when she graduated from college.
Oh, isn't that nice? Very
I'm
nice.
sure it'll fit you because you can just snap this and can put it on the thing. And then this was a pin. This is a pin that my mother wore when she was had some kind of a job. She was usually volunteering about something. Well, some of these are just mixed up in here, but it's a pretty one. And there's a couple other little things in here. And all right.
Whoa.
It's all right. They just people don't want to see these, but I wanted to show you then. Oh, and this, there's a pearl thing here
That's pretty.
and a silver thing, and here's a little long bar gold pin. People, they used to use these to strengthen their straps together, didn't they? And they could buy them all sizes and all shapes, and my mother must have had 5 or 6 of these. Anyhow, but this is the dish I wanted because I used to see this out in my garage, and I think it's really pretty. And it was just black. So one day I took it in and scrubbed it, and it needs to be cleaned again. So, but it's just a dish to put
Thank you.
olives in them, or candy, or
All the above.
Change.
anything you want.
That's very sweet, Virginia.
That's very nice.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Wow. No, that was